3D Modeling Basics in Autocad.
In Autocad, you can create three types of 3D models: surfaces, solids, and meshes. Solids are used to create 3D models of engineering components and assemblies. Surfaces are used to create complex shapes such as plastic parts. And meshes are used for games and movies. Solids are three-dimensional models of actual objects that possess physical properties such as mass properties, center of gravity, surface area, moments of inertia, and so on. Surfaces are construction features without any thickness. They do not possess any physical properties. Meshes are similar to solids without mass and volume properties. In this topic, you will learn the basics of 3D modeling such as creating, navigating, and visualizing solid models. 3D modeling workspaces in Autocad. In Autocad, there are separate workspaces created to work on 3D models. In these workspaces, the tools are organized into ribbon tabs, menus, toolbars, and palettes. To perform a specific task in 3D modeling, you can use the Workspace drop-down on the Quick Access toolbar or the Workspace switching menu on the status bar to access these workspaces. You can also directly start an AutoCAD session in 3D modeling using the AutoCAD 3D.dwt, Acadiso 3D.dwt, AutoCAD named Plot Styles 3D, or Acadiso named Plot Styles 3D templates. There are two workspaces of 3D modeling: 3D Basics and 3D Modeling. The 3D Basics workspace has commonly used tools, whereas the 3D Modeling workspace includes all the tools required for creating 3D models. 3D Modeling Workspace. The screen shown appears when the 3D Modeling workspace is selected, either through the Workspace drop-down menu or using the template. It includes the 3D Modeling ribbon and tools. The ribbon's Home tab is always selected by default. You can use the tools in this section to create and edit solids and meshes, change the model presentation, work with coordinate systems, section 3D models, and more. There are some additional tabs such as Solid, Surface, Mesh, and Render. The Solid tab contains tools to create solid models. The Surface and Mesh tabs are used to create surface models and complex shapes. The Visualize tab is used for creating realistic images of solid and surface models. The View cube can be used to modify the view of the model quickly and easily. It is located at the top right corner of the drawing window. Using the View cube, you can switch between the standard and isometric views. Rotate the model, switch to the home view of the model, create a new user coordinate system, and so on. You can also change the way the View cube functions by using the View cube settings dialog box. Right-click on the View cube, and then select the View cube settings option. The View cube settings dialog box will be opened. You can also modify the model view by using the in-canvas controls. In addition to that, you also change the view style of the model and control the display of other tools in the drawing window using the in-canvas controls. Now, you will create 3D models using the tools available in AutoCAD.